Hey everybody! Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. I'm Tony.
I'm your dad, Brent.
And today I'm going to do some lunges and then we're going to go into a lateral raise and stay tuned.
We're going to do the lunges on the Smith machine. Most Smith machines are usually anywhere between 15 and 30 pounds resistance, depending on the gym. We're not going to use much weight because this is about 30 pounds here, 25 to 30. So this is good enough resistance and weight. She's going to go ahead and go into the lunges and show you how we're going to do them. You can use a pad too. We don't have one, so she'll be fine. So she's going to put her foot, and then she's going to adjust her foot back here. The key to these two is she is keeping her foot straight, both there. All right, so she's just going to come on down. Yep, and the key to this is you don't want your kneecap to hit. You want to keep it basically 2 inches off the ground. All right, so that's how she's going to do it. So we're going to do a set of 10 on each leg, and then we're going to switch sides. So we'll say this is 5, 6, 7, and you can put your hands wherever you want to, whatever is more comfortable for you. 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. So we'll switch legs. Again, adjusting her foot, bringing it on back so she feels that resistance as far as quad and hamstring. You're going to feel it more on this quad on the front leg, more on the hamstring glute area on the back leg. Again, she's keeping both toes straight, not hitting that kneecap. What are we at, about 5?
7.
7, sorry. Just talking. 8, 9, and 10. You want to use the hooks, make sure it's locked on. Come on out. She's going to grab a barbell. We're going to do lateral raises. So with the lateral raise, we want to try to keep our arms straight and basically come up to an eye level and all the way back down. Notice she's over top the bar, basically shoulder width apart. Breathing, exhale. As she goes, we're going to do a set of 10 of these. What is this, 5? I'm not counting. We'll go with 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10.
We're going to do some hamstring curls. Most gyms have this. You just want to adjust it to wherever your feet work. Set the weight and then get down here. I like to put my forearms up so I feel more tension on my hamstrings. And just come up.
And the main thing is here is too, she's keeping her leg all the way up on this pad versus just slinging it up and not keeping that tension on the hamstring and actually working your calf a little bit by keeping it on there the whole time. We're going to do a set of 10. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, she's really flexing her glutes as she does it. 9, one more. And 10. 3 sets of all those. Now we're going to take you on to something else.
Here we go. Next, you want to get a bench. Make sure that it comes up pretty far. Why is that?
Okay, for the shoulder press, you want to have that back support because it's too easy to pull something if you're leaning up against something. That's going to help with the support for your back as far as when you're thrusting up with your shoulders.
So I'm going to grab 2 dumbbells. I have 15 pounds. Get down here. Then you want to start with your elbows up, kind of like at a 90-degree angle, and then rotate out and come up. Come back down. Up.
She's doing a slight twist, so it's a little bit of chest. Also, notice her feet are flat, and like I said, this is why we have the cushion around her back, so she has that back support. We're just going to do a set of 10.
And when you come down, you want to keep the dumbbells at eye level. It's going to feel like it wants to come down lower. You want to keep that tension.
2 more.
So you want to do 3 sets of 10 or 12 of both of those. I'm not going to do it because I already worked out today. Did you? If not, try this workout.
Okay, and make sure you check out our other videos, guys. And always remember, don't sit.
Get fit.